Welcome to 2025, where saving money is still a top priority for many individuals and families. If you're looking to make your savings goals a reality, then you're in the right place. Here are some of the best ways to save money this year. First and foremost, creating a budget is essential for achieving financial stability. By tracking your income and expenses, you can gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Take a closer look at your subscriptions and consider canceling or pausing those that you no longer use. Even temporarily pausing some services can lead to significant savings. When it comes to council tax bills, it's always worth checking if you're eligible for any reductions or exemptions. Every little bit saved adds up over time. Another substantial cost for many individuals is car insurance. Shop around for better deals, and you might find a policy that offers the same coverage at a lower price. Consider switching to store brands instead of name brands for your everyday purchases. Often the quality is comparable, but the price is much lower. Using apps to find the best deals and offer cashback on groceries can also make a significant impact on your food costs. Frozen foods are often cheaper than fresh ones and can last longer, leading to reduced food waste and more money saved. For those who own a home, consider remortgaging to take advantage of lower interest rates. This move can reduce your monthly payments and save you money in the long run. Automating your savings with an automatic savings plan can make saving effortless. Set up a direct transfer from your checking account to your savings account and watch your savings grow over time. Lastly, utilizing Roundup apps can help save without even thinking about it. Apps like YSR can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. By implementing these strategies, you can make 2025 a year of financial growth and stability. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow over time.